Hey, what's going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. All right, today we are installing fog lights right there. We're installing fog lights onto a Jeep Wrangler. All right, this is where we got the fog lights from, and all the headlights, all the accessories that we use, we deal with the Chattanooga store, Chattanooga, Tennessee. All right. Well, that's what we're working on today right there, those fog lights. Okay, the first thing we need to do, let me get out of the way of the sun. The first thing we need to do is take this right here out. Okay, now what I do to that, I've already done it. But we take a drill right here, and then we stick that drill, right in there, drill that out. You got one on this side over here. You drill that out, and then all you have to do is just reach down in there and pull it out. The whole thing should come out. If it don't, get you a pair of pliers, reach down there and pull it out. Not that hard. Okay, this one right here, same thing. Pull that whole thing out. Okay, set this to the side, and then now this will not come out until you take this grill out. All right, the grill's the next thing we're taking out. Okay, now to take this grill out, you got to take that out, all them little tabs right there. So you need a flathead screwdriver, and all you do is get the flathead screwdriver, stick it in there like that, pop that up, pop that out, and this right here should come out right with it. That whole piece, put that somewhere, that whole piece has got to come out. So take that, pop that up, take that whole piece, take that out, and then you gotta take that piece out too, and you gotta go down the line and do them all the exact same way. All right, when you get all of those out just like that, all the one out, then you have to come down here, and then there's a piece right here. You got to pull that back. You got one that's over here. You got to pull that back. You got one that's right here. You got to pull that back, and you got your last one right there. You got to pull that back. And then once you get all of them out like that, then you got a piece right in there. See, you got this piece right here coming out of this piece right here. So I've already taken this off once, so it might have loosened it up. But if it don't come out, real easy, just, be easy with it, wiggle it around a little bit, it will come out. All right. And then once you get all of those out, you got to take your, I think these are fog lights or whatever. So you got that one there, and then you got one right here. Just twist those out like that, and the whole grill should pop out. Yeah, I mean, if you ever need to know how to take the grill out, that's how to take it out, if you wanted to replace the grill or something like that. But that's not what we're doing today. Okay, now once we get that off, and this right here, it should come out a lot easier. If you try to do that with the grill in, yeah, it'll be a lot harder. Now what we're looking for is that right there. Those are the goodies. That one, and then we got that one. So we got to get down in here with a Phillips screwdriver right there, right up there. You got four screws. All right, let's get it. Well, looks like I might have to do a little modification. See, this is what, let me see if I get this out here. That's what it looks like normally, but this outer rim here is actually in the way. Now, it's got a clip in there, so I believe if I take this outer rim off, I can still clip it down. Because see, I almost got half of it off now, and it's going on there, but I want it to fasten. So I'm going to see if the light will plug into it, and that'll let me know where to go from there. All right. Yep, just to get a look at the lights. These are the lights right here that I'm putting in, and that's the piece. It's even got the piece where you need to adjust them. So this whole assembly is what I'm going to put in. So, all right. Well, I plugged everything in, and well, wait a minute. That light's not on either. Maybe it's something that I'm doing wrong. All right, let me try something else. Well, got it to work. So now we just got to hook them up. Man, they're going to look awesome. Okay, this is where I'm at so far. Well, let me get out the light. Look at that. That is a world. That is a world of difference right there. That's crazy. All right, let's get that other one. Okay, guys, we're gonna do this side just like we did the other side. We're gonna got a screw there. We got a screw there, and there's some screws over on the other side. Well, there's one. I thought it was. But anyway, you get the gist. Okay, go ahead and take them out, and I'll get back with you. All right, guys, we got a perfect set. Isn't she beauty? Oh man, let me turn them on. Look at there. Have you ever seen anything prettier? Probably not. All right, guys, let's put this baby back together. All right. Just wanted to note, make sure when you're putting these back together, put the fog lights in first, and then look at all the places down there where it snaps into, then do that next. All right, guys, when you go back through, all you do is repeat the process. Man, that is nice. Everything's in. All of my pins are in. Okay, everything. All of my stuff down here is in. You know, I didn't put, there is another piece that goes in there, which I'm buying. Once I get everything complete the way I want it, I'm buying new pieces like this. You can get them off of Amazon. And I'm just gonna, fix it back brand new whenever I'm done playing with it. But next I'm gonna hook up my daytime running lights. It does have daytime running lights, but you have to get extra wire, hook them into your system. So I'm gonna wait a little bit on that. But I mean, it's just one thing at a time. That's what we do. One thing at a time. Wait a minute, let me show you how they look when they're on, because It's getting a little dusk out here. Okay. Bam. That's what it looks like when they're on. And then if I need to get any brighter, I can turn my high beams on. All right, guys, this is what it looks like with the high beams on. You see those ones on the side? Now once up, I left the fog lights off. Hold on. Well, I guess you learn something new every day. You cannot run your fog lights and your high beams at the same time. So I showed you the high beams, I showed you the fog lights, and I guess that's it of the video. All right, guys, appreciate you watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And do me a favor, please be good to yourself and be good to others. All right.